Hello, welcome to this lesson of Mastering Java. This is lesson number 9. Here we have, again, our example we're using with the aircraft. We have the aircraft class down here, same member variables, same member method that we had before. We're not changing anything. I just copied this from a previous lesson. Here we're declaring our new objects for Cessna and Piper Saratoga and populating the member variables with the information. So all of this has been copied before. What we want to do in this lesson is learn how to add methods to our class that do something other than, well, I should rephrase it. We want to be able to add methods down here that take arguments or parameters, calculate a result, and return the answer back up. You see, this method we have here doesn't require any argument. We just call it for the aircraft that we care about, and it multiplies or divides two of these numbers here and returns an answer. But there are many, many cases when maybe I want to use the data in here, but I want to pass a value down that's going to be involved in the calculation. The simplest example I can think of is this, all of these aircraft, the objects that we create, we have a variable called fuel burn rate. That's how many gallons per hour this airplane sucks down from the gas tank. So it might be useful to know, hey, if I want to fly for 3 hours, how many gallons of gas is that going to use? Or if I want to fly for 6.4 hours, how many gallons of gas is that going to use? That's something you do as a pilot, as you factor in how long is my leg and how much am I using of gas, and you want to see how much gas that takes so that you can see how much reserve you have. So it's very easy to do that. We can just add a new method here. So this is the method that we already have. We just skip down a little bit. This closing curly is closing off the aircraft class. We want to be inside of that. And then we create a new method. And it's going to have a double as a return value because we're going to be returning how many hours